Right now, as you watch this, someone in Tokyo is asking AI for relationship advice. A farmer in Nigeria is getting crop recommendations. A student in Mexico is solving math problems. A professor is recommending notes from AI. But here's the most interesting wathos people didn't know. In the 0.3 seconds before AI responds, it makes 1 billion calculations. Today, I'm taking you inside that moment to show you something that will change how you see that every AI conversation and chat forever, whether you're using Google Translator, asking Siri for directions, searching your breakfast snacks on Zomato, getting recommendations on Netflix for movies and shoppings on Amazon, or having your bank detect fraud. AI touches your life 50+ times daily, but every single response you get isn't pulled from a database. It's not pre-written. It's predicted, word by word, in real time based on patterns from 500 billion human conversations in 100+ languages. Your grandmother in rural India and a tech CEO in Silicon Valley get different responses to the same question. Why? Because AI learned that context matters. Within the next 3 minutes, I'll prove this with a live demonstration that will blow your mind. But, before you get deeper into the explanation of AI and its brain, you should first know what is AI and what it can do. Then you are ready to swim to the surface of intelligence. Watch episode 1 for that, where you can find something very interesting and important too. So now, you have watched, and you know, what is it? Let's begin the journey for episode 2. You type a question, and in a blink, there's the answer. But wait, what is in that one blink? From where that answer is coming, and how it is possible? Every day, billions of people ask AI a question, and just like that answer appears. Fast, confident, almost magical. But what if I told you that instant answer isn't real? What if the AI wasn't answering until it truly understood how you think? Yes, you heard it very right. It understands the way you think, what you need, and how it should reply it. Calculates approximate of 1 billion possibilities within that one blink. See, most people believe AI just knows things, like some digital genius with all the world's facts at its fingertips. But the truth is far more complex and, honestly, way more interesting. When you ask a question, the AI doesn't search a database for a truth. It starts predicting, word by word, line by line, like a mind trying to think before it speaks. Imagine a game where you only win by guessing the next word in a sentence. That's how AI works. When you say what is computer and its brain, it doesn't know the answer. It simply predicts the next most likely word, based on patterns it saw in millions of conversations. And here's where it gets crazy. The way you ask the question actually changes the answer. Let's try it. 3 versions of the same question. What is love? Version 1, formal. Love is a complex emotional state involving intimacy, care, and attachment. Version 2, casual teen vibe. It's like when you seriously vibe with someone and want to be around them all the time. Version 3, science mode. Love activates neurochemicals like dopamine and oxytocin in the limbic system. 3 voices, same AI, no memory, just your tone changing. The mind of the machine. After seeing the answer of an AI, now the question is, so, is AI truly intelligent? Or is it just mirroring us? It's not choosing answers, it's simulating how you might expect it to answer. It listens to your tone, it studies your phrasing, and it constructs a response not from knowledge but from probabilities. It's not thinking like a human, it's calculating like a magician, predicting your thoughts. Before it speaks, AI splits your question into tokens, tiny word pieces. Then, it runs trillions of predictions, based on everything it's ever seen. It scores every possible next word by probability, not emotion, not intention, just cold, statistical guessing. But when done fast enough, it feels almost alive. AI learned from humanity's entire written history. Every culture, every perspective, every way of thinking. Cultural test, American user. How do I succeed in business? AI response. Focus on individual achievement, networking, and competitive advantage. Japanese user. How do I succeed in business? AI response. Consider team harmony, long-term relationships, and collective growth. Nigerian user. How do I succeed in business? AI response. Build community trust, understand local markets, and maintain family connections. Same question, culturally adapted responses. AI learned that success means different things in different cultures. This isn't programmed, it's learned from millions of conversations where people from different cultures expressed their values. You've just seen how AI thinks before it speaks. But in the next episodes I'll show you how to bend those thoughts. There are prompts that unlock hidden personalities, smarter answers, even emotional depth. Subscribe now, because what I'll reveal next will change how you use AI forever.